Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY. In today's video, we're going to be doing another seal coating, but this time it's on my driveway. Let me show you what we got here. This here's been about 2 years. It's not really cracked or anything. It's when it's dried out, it's kind of gray looking. Like I said, there's no bad cracks on it. I had them when I redid this house. I had a guy come by, gave me a pretty good price to do it, so I went ahead and done it. It had concrete under, it had asphalt underneath of it. It was just broken up really bad, so he went and put me another good solid layer on top. And beside the house, I'm not doing it, even though it is blacktop. Just a quick overview of something we're going to be doing. We're getting this finished, and I'm hoping this spring what we're going to do, about out to here, we'll get this taken out. This stuff here, that's the old asphalt. It's all garbage, to be honest. We're going to take it out. I'll put a little retaining wall here, and then we're going to put a nice big carport at the front of it, match the front of the house here. Maybe have some pillars over here. It's going to be really nice. So guys, subscribe to the channel. Hey, if you want to see some of the stuff, maybe you're going to do it yourself, or like I said, you just want to see, you know, how it's done. Just see the process of it. I mean, learn something. It's always a good thing to do. Subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's the driveway at my house. We've got it all done. Everything looks really good. That way we've protected it now. We've sealed it. You have to do this about every year, maybe every other year, just depending on, I guess, maybe where you live, how good of the stuff is. But I think they do prefer it to do it every year. But like I said, it just kind of depends. Okay, I got a couple tire tracks on here we've driven on already. You can see right here. Yeah, like I said, it didn't take us very long to do it. I think we did it in maybe an hour or two. And like I said, this here we did not mess with because this is coming out. Alright, so guys, I hope you liked this video. If you would, subscribe to the channel, give us some likes, leave some comments below. And so as always guys, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.